And while driving here, you know, there were thoughts that were going through my mind. That today, as we end 75 years of our independence, 75 years as an independent nation, 75 years as one amongst equals. It's a small journey in this thousands of years of existence of our culture and our land, but a very short time of 75 years. Today, the challenges that come in front of us are new. The challenges that stare us in the face are new. Not that we won all the battles of the past. We are still fighting them. Hunger, homelessness, joblessness, healthcare, those struggles remain. But the struggles that will come forth in this other half of this century will be new. And that is where you as teachers will probably play the most important role in nation building. I was watching the movie Sher Shah yesterday, and towards the end, it was arguably India's first televised war. Names like Captain Vikram Batra, Saurav Kalia, Colonel Joshi, Gajendra Yadav, Jogender Yadav, all these names still resonate in my ears. And even watching that movie, it gave me goosebumps and I had a moist eye. With the changed politico-geographical scenario around the world today, with newer enemies coming up, the one thing that keeps us united is our pride in our country. And it is the job, duty, responsibility as teachers, as educationists, to instill that pride in our children. A lot of our history that was taught to us was taught on behalf of the invaders. Today, our government has embarked on a mission to tell the true story, to instill pride in our children. Because the stories that we learn, the stories that we tell, are the people that we become. If we are taught that we were a subjugated nation, our thoughts will be subjugated. If we are taught about the bravery and valor of our leaders, it is they who we will try to emulate. And this is that one thought that I want you all to take back home today, that when we teach our children, let us do so with pride. Let us do so by instilling pride of being Indian in them. There's nothing small about being Indian. We are arguably the largest and longest continuous culture in existence today. The Greeks have gone, the Romans have gone, the Mesopotamians have gone, the Aztecs have gone. All that remains that connects us through the yonder years, the past years, is this Indian culture. And if we want it to survive, flourish, and spread, it starts from here, from our schools, from our children's minds. And it is these minds that you teachers control. So I will not take long. What I want to just say is, enjoy this happy day, but do not forget the struggles of the past, and please pass on this message of pride and believing in our country. Today, India has come forth with vaccines after vaccines. We are showing the way out. There's nothing small in this. We are not a third world nation. We are not a poor nation. If we want to be big, better and stronger, we have to believe first that we are big, better and stronger. And to you teachers, I thank you all, because you will be the farmers who will lay the seeds of a greater India tomorrow. Thank you all so very much. Jai Hind.
Dear parents, students, and my lovely teachers, I hope you are all safe and secure during this pandemic time. COVID-19 pandemic has halted the normal lifestyle of people across the globe. Amidst the deadly outbreak of COVID-19, I strongly believe that hope is strength. I wish each one of you a very happy 75th Independence Day. This day marks the historical day on which 75 years ago we got independence. Freedom does not come easily. We are all indebted to our national heroes who made this country what it is today. Let us all unite together and work hard for our goals. Let's make our country strong and powerful. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Take care. Thank you.
भारत की संतानें हैं, भारत सबकी माता है। इसका मान बढ़ाने हेतु जीना मरना, सीमाओं पर प्रहरी बनकर हम हर दर से भिड़ जाए। सर्दी गर्मी भूख प्यास बरसात सभी कुछ सह जाए। बंसी तजकर युद्ध भूमि में शस्त्र उठाना आता है। इसका मान बढ़ाने हेतु जीना मरना आता।
जयतु जयतु भारतम्, जयतु जयतु भारतम्। विश्व प्रेम की पार चदनिया जगा भारत है।
लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा। लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा। तूने दिया है जीवन, तूने दिए आराम। जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में, होठों पे तेरा नाम। जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है, आए तेरे काम।
Faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on this Independence Day. With these words, I conclude today's program. Warm wishes for a happy 75th Independence Day.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन